In this video, we're going to elaborate further on phase 2 of my MCAT study plan, the UWorld phase. I cannot recommend UWorld enough. So you get 2,000 science questions. People will often ask me, how many questions should I be doing per day? It's going to depend on how long your phase 2 period is. So it's going to be different for everyone because this is a very flexible and customizable study plan. If you're having trouble figuring out how long this phase should be for you, no worries. Spoiler alert, I'm coming up with this free resource that I personally created. Hopefully next week, that'll automatically calculate how long it should be based on your needs and your schedule. All right, so also during this period, you want to be doing full lengths. So I personally use Blueprint, but you can use any other full lengths. Next, let's talk about everyone's favorite section. Drum roll, please. The cars section. So you should be doing cars passages. Now, if you don't want to do UWorld cars, I understand it. It's not the best resource for cars. You can use Khan Academy. You can use Jack Weston. Both of those are free resources. And if you get through all of the questions and you still have time, by all means, go over the UWorld cars questions. Finally, let's talk about the goals of phase 2. The first goal is to learn the language of the MCAT. The next goal is to experiment with different test-taking strategies. During this phase, you're going to be experimenting with strategy A, strategy B, strategy C. Maybe you noticed that with strategy A and B, your scores were going up. With strategy C, your scores were going down. So you stop doing strategy C, which might work for someone else, but not for you. And then you try other strategies, and hopefully by the end, you have a polished version of your own test-taking approach. Finally, you want to fill in the knowledge gaps. And that's what's great about UWorld is that it gives detailed explanations for their questions and for their answers so that any knowledge gaps that were left from phase 1, which is content review, will be filled during this phase. If you have any questions for me, drop them in the comments or the DMs. Follow to stay tuned with the free resource that I'm going to announce hopefully next week. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.